Cooking rice sounds simple, right? But getting that perfect fluffy texture every single time can be tricky, especially when you are busy or just starting out. That is where a good rice cooker changes everything. Whether you want quick meals, healthy grains, or even soups and oatmeal, the right machine can save time and effort. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5. Comfy Mini Rice Cooker. If you are cooking for 1 or 2 people, this Comfy Mini Rice Cooker feels like a very practical choice. I like how small and compact it is. It fits easily in tight kitchen spaces, and you can even carry it for travel or camping. That makes it very flexible for daily life. Cooking performance is quite reliable. White rice comes out soft and fluffy, while brown rice cooks evenly without much effort. It also offers multiple cooking modes, so you can make oatmeal, soup, or even simple meals beyond rice. That adds more value to such a small device. The controls are simple and easy to understand. Even if you are new to cooking, you can use it without confusion. It saves time and reduces effort, which is great for busy people. Compact size design. 6 cooking programs. Portable and lightweight build. However, the capacity is limited. It may not work well for families, but for singles or couples, it's a smart and affordable option. Number 4. Cuckoo Micom Rice Cooker. This Cuckoo Micom rice cooker feels like a step up from basic models. It uses smart cooking technology that adjusts heat and time automatically. This helps you get better texture and more consistent results every time. I like how versatile it is. You can cook white rice, brown rice, oats, and even baby food. That makes it useful for different types of meals. It's especially helpful for families who cook daily and need reliable performance. Cleaning is simple and quick. The nonstick inner pot and removable lid make the process easier, which saves time after cooking. That's something many users will appreciate. Fuzzy Logic Smart Cooking. Large capacity for families. Easy cleaning system. The size is a bit bigger, so it needs more counter space. But if you want better quality rice and more features, this cooker is worth considering. Number 3. Dash Mini Ceramic Rice Cooker. The Dash Mini Ceramic Rice Cooker is a great choice if you want something simple and affordable. I like its small size and clean design. It looks modern and fits easily in any kitchen without taking much space. It is very easy to use. You just add your ingredients and press one button. That's all. This makes it perfect for beginners or people who want quick meals without hassle. It works well for basic cooking. You can make rice, oatmeal, and small meals quickly. The ceramic coating is also a nice feature. It feels safer and is easier to clean compared to standard coatings. Simple one-touch operation. Compact travel-friendly design. Ceramic non-stick coating. The only limitation is capacity. It's not suitable for large portions or family meals, but for single users or light cooking, it delivers great value at a low price. Number 2. Cuckoo Twin Pressure Rice Cooker. This Cuckoo Twin Pressure Rice Cooker is designed for people who want premium performance. The pressure cooking system improves the texture of rice and makes it taste richer and more flavorful. I like the number of cooking options available. You can prepare many different dishes, not just rice. That makes it more like a multi-cooker for everyday use. The voice guide is also helpful and makes operation easier. The build quality feels strong and durable. It looks like a long-term investment for serious cooking needs. It's especially useful for larger households. Twin pressure cooking system, multiple advanced cooking modes, induction heating technology. The main drawback is the price. It is expensive compared to other models, but if you want advanced features and top-level results, this is a powerful option. Number 1. Comfy Rice Cooker Upgraded Multi-Cooker. This Comfy Upgraded Rice Cooker stands out as the best overall option. It offers a great balance of price, performance, and useful features. I like how simple it is while still being very versatile. You can cook rice, steam vegetables, prepare oatmeal, and even slow-cook meals. That makes it perfect for daily use. It handles different grains like quinoa and brown rice quite well. The size is practical. It's compact, but still enough for small families. It doesn't take too much space on your kitchen counter, which is a big advantage. Cleaning is also easy. The non-stick inner pot prevents food from sticking, and it can go in the dishwasher. 6-in-1 multifunction cooking, user-friendly digital control panel, dishwasher-safe inner pot. Overall, this is a reliable and budget-friendly choice that works well for most people. Final verdict. If you want the best overall value, the Comfy Rice Cooker Upgraded Multi-Cooker is the top pick. It offers great performance, useful features, and a low price, making it perfect for everyday use. If you want a premium option with advanced technology and better texture, the Cuckoo Twin Pressure Rice Cooker is the better choice. It's ideal for serious cooking and larger households. No matter which one you choose, each of these rice cookers brings convenience to your kitchen. Check the description for the latest prices and more details before making your final decision.